Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to use YouTube homepage topic filters. It's pretty simple, so if you appreciate that, make sure you give our video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. So let's start. Let's open the YouTube app, and what topic filters basically are those titles here under the YouTube logo. They're based on your searches and what you watch daily. So for example, the topic of Apple, it will suggest you only Apple videos and you can watch as many of them as you want. Then you want to change to photography, for example, watch some videos about photography. And when you want to go back to all videos, just click all. And that's basically what YouTube homepage topic filters are. So if you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. If you have any comments, just comment them down below. We'll reply to all of them. See you in the next one. Bye.